For all you poly pipe users out there, this is the video you're going to want to sit here and watch today. Wendell Well Services back at you. Thanks again for tuning in for another video. What we're going to get into today is our preferred method of attaching poly pipe with a barred fitting. Yes, it might sound boring and it might sound, why are they doing a video on this? But stay tuned. I promise you we got some meat in the video for you. All right, so won't be long. These are the typical clamps that we see out there that have been out there for years. They're big. They're worm drive stainless steel clamp, and you just screw them up like so to the pipe, as I'm going to show. You have to start them way out when they're bigger, which I don't like doing. But I'm going to do it anyways just to show you how much I don't like doing it. I'm not even going out to as far wide as they go. But you have to screw them all the way down to the right pipe size. All right. Yes, these clamps do work great. They work, but here's why I don't like using them. And which will be the point of this video. All right, so I'm tightening down on this. And the problem we've run into is, okay, it's tight, but we've had issues with the actual worm drive of these stripping out in here. And then when they strip out, they don't hold anything. Like it's like, what I don't like about them is it's loose. And it's just like it's tight, but you can't tighten down on it to make sure the barb fit. Like, that's all I want to do without getting the feeling that this actual hose clamp's going to strip out. So what I'm getting ready to show you is our preferred clamp. This is and why we use them. Stay there. Don't be walking away from me. It's too hot for that junk. It's this clamp right here. It's made by Ideal. It's a stainless steel clamp, just like the other one. What's the model number on this thing? It's model number by Ideal is 6920. It goes from 1/2 inch all the way up to 1.25 inches. So it's going to cover pretty much all your poly pipe needs. Not talking about PEX here. I'm talking about poly. If you're going bigger than 1.25 inches on poly, then you don't need to be doing that anyways. Here's why I like this clamp right here. You don't have to start it at the end and screw it in. You put it on. Run this all the way up until you get it tight. And you can see here, I've pretty much got it tight there. I maybe could go one more notch, but I'm not. Take this and bend it over. All right, then I'm going to make sure y'all can see this here as I'm doing it. This is what I like about it. You take your screwdriver here, 5/16, and you'll see it. And you can see how much room you have to actually tighten this clamp up. And you can see I've still got from the head of this screw here to the end of this clamp here, if you need it. But that's pretty tight right there. And that's what I really like about it. It gives you a better feeling. You can see you're not moving that, or this is not coming out of here. It gives you a good, secure feeling. You know, a lot of times if we've pulled a pump that's out on poly, we'll take these type of clamps off that I just showed you and go back with these. Really don't even have to go. We put 2 of them right at the head of a pump. If a pump, we don't install pumps on poly generally, but if one's been in the hole, we'll go back with 2 of these right above the pump and then use 1 for every other fitting where we have a barred fitting. This is our preferred clamp of choice. You don't see these out there a lot, but They work great. We don't ever have issues with them. They have a wide range of motion, so you can pretty much fit any size pipe that you want to, and without having to screw it all the way down, you just move it up to the knots that you need and then start screwing. Start tightening. Voila. So, hope you enjoyed the video. It's a short but sweet one. This is our preferred clamp. We've been using these clamps for years. They hold good, work good. Thought y'all would enjoy that. Thank you. Stay tuned for the next one.